Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. Today I'm going to be shouting that. Oh crap! No, I'll turn off my exclamation. I ain't trying to get clickbait right now. Alright, so I just want to announce that if you sub to my channel, comment down below saying I subscribe, and if you like the video, first tell me your username and friend down box. Then join my game in Learning Mystery 2, and I'll give a free gun. The winner will be announced at the end of February. So at February 28th, the last day. So join in quick before I give it away soon. So yeah. Comment down below if you want me to do like a whole gaming episode of this game. And this guy looks guilty. I thought he had the knife at first, but he has like a ice cream. We'll just gonna go back. But to be sure, it's true. I actually have Gandhi right here, and to God, oh my God! And it right here. Hurry up and subscribe quick and join in quick before your time runs. Oh, I'll see you guys in the next one.